In this tutorial, we're going to go through how to create an app where we take a photo, paint on it, and then share it with friends. So I've called mine PaintMe. Open it up. So we have a large white space where the picture is going to go. We've got four buttons along the first row, and then 6 paint buttons along the lower row. First, we hit the Take Photo button. It brings the camera up. We're going to take a picture of Donald Trump. Okay, so if we're happy with that, we click that in. So there we've got the photo. So at this point we can pick a colour. So I'm going to pick red and just paint his chin. There we go. Now if I shake this phone, you won't see that, but if I shake this phone, the drawing goes away. So what we'll do, change the colour. I'm going to use yellow and give me a yellow moustache. Now I can change the size of the brush using the plus and minus. So if I use the plus, and we can do his hair and go minus and make it thin again, a little bit thinner. There we go. So at this point we can share the photo. If I hit the share button, it then brings up it saves the picture and then brings up the sharing options that your phone has, so you can either email it or transfer it using any of your social media apps.